Hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome to the amazing lecture of Matholics. This is lecture number 2 for the chapter Surface, Areas, and Volumes. PYQs. We'll be solving all the previous year questions along with good examples also, hot questions also, if the time allows us. Okay, so this is lecture number 2. Lecture number 1 already done. You can check for the lecture number 1 link in the given description. Okay, so am I clearly audible and visible? Hi, hello, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Uh, good evening, Ashur. Good evening, Akash. Good evening, Deepak. Good evening, everyone. Very good evening, everyone. We are about to start the session in next 1 minute. Till then, please share with all your friends. Am I clearly audible and visible? Is my voice and video, everything is sorted, clear? Everything is going good? Yes or no in the comments, please. Okay, so we'll be starting the session now. Now, tell me. The yesterday which we did actually 5 questions. Okay, you have practiced those questions. You did that questions again, yes or no? If no, please do them again. Okay, do them again. So this is lecture number 2. We shall start without wasting a single moment now. So this was question number 1. This is question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. Fifth question, we have done this one. Okay, this was the fifth question which we have done. Okay. Okay, so we'll be starting question number 6 today. The capacity, sorry, this was fifth. A well of diameter 3 meter. I already have narrated this question, that what this question is all about. This question is all about taking out the earth, taking out the sand if you dig a well. See, this question we'll be doing, if this is a well, this yellow part is a well, right? Out of this whole earth, this well has been dug. Okay, this is a ground, and this is the ground level. You see, this is the ground level. Out of this ground level, this lower side is sand only. You take out this sand, obviously cylindrical shape will be formed. This taken out sand is evenly spread around of this well, so it will obviously make some embankment, some platform. So height of that platform is x. You have to find the height of this platform. You have to find height of this platform. Yes or no? Got it? Now, a well of diameter 3 meters dug 14-meter deep. There is a well. There is a well. Okay. We'll solve this again. Don't worry. We'll solve this again. Okay. The diameter of this well is 3 meters. So radius will be what? Radius will be 1.5 meters. Yes or no? Radius will be 1.5 meters. Okay. Now see. This well of diameter 3 meters dug 14-meter deep. That means height of this cylinder will be 14 meters. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, the earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring. This way. Okay. Of width 4 meter. That means this width is given 4th meter. This width is given 4th meter to form a platform. Find the height of the platform. Find the height of the platform. This height you have to find out. Okay. Now what is given? We'll say volume of this embankment will be what? Outer volume minus inner volume of this cylinder. Outer volume minus inner volume will be equals to what? Volume of this cylinder, lower cylinder, volume of well, volume of well. Yes or no? Everyone comfortable in this step? Yes or no? Because I'm going to write the values directly. Okay. Now see. Outer volume will be what? Outer volume of this embankment. Obviously pi r square h, but pi capital R square and h will be what? H will be this x. So pi capital R square x minus pi this small r square, and obviously this radius is small r. Okay, so this is x. Okay, so that's equals to volume of well. Volume of well will be pi small r square into h, because we have taken these values as h. This is capital R, this is small r. Okay. Now, if you take out pi and x common, it is r square minus small r square equals to pi into small r square into h. Okay. So pi and pi got cancelled. So x into, now this is capital R square minus small r square. Can we have the value of small r? What is small r actually? What is small r actually? We can say it is given capital R square minus small r. Okay, done. Minus small r. What is small r? 1.5. Now, this is 1.5 whole square and that's equals to 1.5 square into what is height? Height is 14. Now, if I can find the value of this capital R, I can solve this equation. Yes or no? If I can find the value of capital R, if I can find the value of capital R, can I solve this equation very easily? Yes or no, please? Yes, sir. Like everyone, please increase the like count. I'm solving this question live for you, else it is already solved here. Okay. Now see how to find capital R. We have been given capital R minus small r is 4. This width of this embankment, width of the platform is what? This width is r minus r and is 4. Small r is 1.5. So 1.5 gets added to 4. So capital R is nothing but, here it is solved. Capital R is 5.5 meters. Okay. So you just have to put the value of capital R as 5.5. So x into 5.5 whole square minus 1.5 whole square equals to, this is 1.5 into 1.5 into 14. Now solving this is an art. Solving this equation is an art. I must tell you how. I must tell you how. Can anyone tell me? Now see. Now see. This is a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So we'll write x into 5.5 plus 1.5 into 5.5 minus 1.5, and that's equals to 1.5 into 1.5 into 14. Got this point? What I actually did here. So x into what is 5.5 plus 1.5? It is 7. And 5.5 minus 1.5, it is 4. And that's equals to 1.5 into 1.5 into 14. So when I find x, this 7 and 4 will go in the denominator of this. So this is 1.5 into 1.5 into 14 and whole upon 7 into 4. These 2 points got vanished and here it will be 100. Okay. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, right? So it is nothing but 15 15s are 225 upon 2 into 100. If you divide 225 by 2, it will be 112.5 upon 100. So final height will be 1.125 meters. This is my final answer, 1.125 meters. Can I check the answer? Is 1.125 meter, correct. 1.125 meter. I guess everyone must have understood this technique of solving this amazing, beautiful question. Okay, so let me do it like this, and you guys are good to go. Solve it and copy it. Okay, solve it and copy. I'm waiting for you. Copy, copy, copy. Solve it fast. So outer volume minus inner volume डायरेक्टली सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, यस यू कैन डू, कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट देम डायरेक्टली. I guess it's done now. Okay. This was question number 6. Moving forward to question number 7. In the given figure, a solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. Would mean what? Would mean what? This solid toy. This is a solid toy. Okay. It is in the form of a hemisphere. Hemisphere. Okay. And it is surmounted by a right circular cone. The cone is above this hemisphere. Okay. Now, what they are saying, the height of the cone is 2 centimeter. Height of the cone is 2 centimeter. And the diameter of the base is 4 centimeter. If diameter is 4, that means radius is what? 2 centimeter. Okay, sir, 2 centimeter. Determine the volume of the toy. Determine the volume of the toy. So for volume, what we have to find out? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. You have to add them. You have to add them. Now, how to add? See, volume of cone would mean 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Formula for volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. In the starting of every chapter, you must have the formula sheet. You must actually remember the formula sheet, okay, before going to exams or before even solving these type of questions, okay. So, if you can remember the formulas, then only you can solve these type of questions, okay. So, first one is volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Second one is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, see, why we are using small r again and again? Because this radius is same in both of these figures. Both of these figures are small r is same. In previous question, small r was different, capital R was different. That's why we tried something different. Okay. So now what is common in both of these two terms? See, this is pi, pi upon 3 common. R square and R square is common. Okay. So pi by 3 R square is common. Now what's left in the bracket? See, what's left in the bracket? If pi R square is common, 3 is common, here it is H plus pi R square is common, R is left, 2 is left. So 2R will be there. Okay. Simply now put the values. Pi, it is given, use 3.14. Specially focus onto the values what is given. If it is given 3.14, use 3.1. If it is given, nothing is given, you can use 22 by 7 only. Okay. Now, so this is 3.14 by 3 into 2 square into 2 plus 2 into 2. Values put. And 2 plus 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 3 and 6 cancel out. 3 to the 4 to the 8. 8 into 3.14. Answer will be 25.12 centimeter cube. Copy this and we'll move forward. Volume of the solid will be 25.12 centimeter cube. Copy it. Copy it. Copy it. This is the diagram and start copying. Lower calculations you do yourself. Come on. Let's do it. Solve it ASAP as we have to do at least 5-6 questions more. Solve ASAP. Do not waste time. This is question for surface areas and volume. Solve it. Solve it. If done, then tell me. We have to move forward. I guess it's showed down. Okay. What's to show down? This is simple calculation. Do it yourself. Let's move to another question. This is question number actually 8th, but for this series it's question number 1, right? Short answer type, at least 2 to 3 marks question. The radius of the base and height of a solid right circular cylinder are in the ratio 2:3 and its volume is 1617. Find the total surface area. Now what the question says, you have to draw the diagram first. First, draw the diagram. Okay. Okay, okay. Now, the radius of the base and height of the solid circular cylinder would mean what? Radius of the base, that means R, and height of a solid circular cylinder are in the ratio 2:3. So R is to H we have been given. R is to H. R is to H is what? 2:3. So let R is 2x and H will be 3x. Got this point? Yes or no? If R is 2x, height will be 3x. Yes or no in the comments? I think a big yes. Okay. So let radius equals to 2x. So H will be 3x. Simply R upon H is 2 by 3. R upon H is 2 by 3. You can use either of the values. Now, volume is 1617. What is volume of a right circular cylinder? Formula. Volume of right circular cylinder, what is the formula? Pi r square h. So pi r square h is 1613, 1617. That's it. So pi r square h equals to 1617. Put the values. Pi 22 by 7. What is radius? 2x. 2x whole square into h means 3x equals to 1617. This way you have to find first x, value of x, right? So how to find value of x? See, you write 4x square into 3x. That means 4 3s are 12, and x square into x, it will be nothing but x cube. X square into x will be what? X cube. This 22 by 7 into 4x square into 3x is 1617. This 4, 3 and 22 will go denominator side. This 7 will go on the numerator side. So 167 into 7 upon 22 into 4 into 3. Now just calculate it. Now I'll tell you how to actually calculate it. It is given that x cube equals to 1617 into 7 whole upon 22 into 4 into 3. Got this point? Now, how to calculate this thing? How to calculate this thing? See, you need to actually deal with this calculations again and again if you are having this chapter in your exam, right? These type of calculations, right? 22, 4 and 3, they came denominator side, 7 gone to numerator side. Now, see, if you cancel this 7, no. So let's start with 3. 3 ones are 3. If 3 5s are 15, out of 16, 15 gone 1, 11. 3 3s are 9, 2, 27, 3 9s are 20. Now it is, that's what, 22. Yes, sir. Is it, can it be cancelled by 11? See, 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44, 6 and 3 9, 11 9s are 99. Yes, right. So we are actually left with 49 into 7. X cube is what? 49 into 7 upon 2 4s are 8. So x cube is what? What is 49? It is 7 square into 7 upon, what is 8? It is 2 cube. So it is nothing but 7 cube by 2 cube. So can you write it as 7 by 2 whole cube? Yes or no? So comparing both sides, x came out to be equal to 7 by 2. 7 by, this is 2. Got my point? How many of you understood this? That x is 7 by 2. How actually we calculated value of x? X is nothing but 7 by 2. Yes or no? X is nothing but 7 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Right. So this is how you are going to calculate everything. Okay. This is how. Sorted? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments fast. Yes or no? Got this point? Yes or no in the comments? Anyone? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. If yes, so we can move forward. That's it. Yes or no? Got the point, no? So x is 7 by 2. And when x came out to be 7 by 2, you can easily find what? Yes, height and radius. What is the formula? Now what we have to find out actually? Find the total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area is what? Just imagine there is a cylinder. So what is its total surface area? Tell me. What is its total surface area? Tell me. Total surface area will be this curved one plus that upper portion and down portion, right? So up and down are two circles. So 2 pi r square. And what is curved surface area of a cylinder? It is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is common, bracket h plus r. This is the formula you must remember. Remember this. Remember. This formula you must remember. The formula for total surface area 2 pi r h plus r. So this way you are going to calculate 2 pi r h plus r. But for that you must know the value of r and h. R was 2x, h was 3x. Just put the values of x and get the value, right? It is 21 by 2, it is 7. Now put the value and calculate and get the answer. I am giving you 10 minutes to copy this, okay? Because this question is really, I guess, a big, good one, good question. you must copy first diagram, then you must copy the volume of cylinder, which came out to be what? For the from this we actually got the value of x, and after that total surface area. If got any problem, you can tell me. Okay. You've done, then tell me. Done. Final answer will be 770 centimeter squares. 770. Okay, if it's done, let's go forward to another question. Next question. A 20-meter deep well with a diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. That means this is the well. Earth taken out from this well is taken out, and this earth is used to form a new platform. Now this platform is 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So let the height of the platform be h. So it will form nothing but a cuboid. This is small h, this is capital H. You have to differentiate between the variables, right? So this volume will be pi r square h. This volume will be L into B into h, right? So for calculations, you must do pi r square h equals to L into B into h. Put the values. Put the values. Very easy question. Try it yourself. Very easy question. Pi r square h equals to L into B into h. Just put the values. Pi 22 by 7. Radius 3.5. Height 20. And LBH you will find h. Now h will be what? This 22 got cancelled. This 14 will come down towards this side. So 3.5 to 3.5 to 20 upon 7 into 14 into. Now this calculate, and if you have any problem, ask me. Calculate it. Come on, fast. If any doubt, you can ask me. Question is, this cylindrical earth is taken out and it is made a platform. That's it. You must copy the diagrams and solve it. It's the question. These calculations actually every must learn. Okay, these calculations that okay 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 20 is equals to 22 into 14 into capital H. Now you have to find this capital H, yes or no? For this, this value has to go to the denominator. So this point and point will go, denominator will be 100 already. So 22 into 35 into 35 into 20 whole upon 7 into 100 into this 22 into 14 will be there, and that's equals to capital H. Okay. So now you have to solve this. 22 got cancelled. 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. 5 ones are 5 20s are 20 and 20 got cancelled. 35 and 14 remaining. 7 2s are 7 5s are 5 by 2. So H is 5 by 2, that is 2.5 centimeter. This is the format actually you must follow, every one of you, right? These are not questions that you are just having in front of you and are just solving. No. These techniques, simpler calculative techniques you must learn. Okay. Copy it. Very good. Very good. Very good. If you got the answer, very good. Okay. So can we move forward? I think a big yes. Okay. Next. A canal is 300 centimeter wide and 122 centimeter deep. The water in the canal is flowing with a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. How much area will it irrigate in time is given? How much area will it irrigate in 20 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is desired? 8 centimeter of standing water is desired. What does that mean? There is a canal. Let's say this is a canal. Okay. Water, a canal is 300 centimeter wide, 120 centimeter deep. So you must first convert this 300 centimeter to meter. That means 3 meter wide. This is 3 meter wide. 120 centimeter deep means 1.2 meter deep. The water in the canal is flowing with a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. This is speed of water. This is canal. This is what? This is canal. Okay. Now from this canal, water is flowing in the speed of 20 kilometers per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 20 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is desired? That means if this is the area, let's say length into breadth. Now this is a land. 8 centimeter of standing water is required means above this land there must be a standing height of water which is 8 centimeter. That means 8 by 100 meters. Okay, got the point? So these are different types of questions. From this question we'll continue tomorrow. We have done at least 4-5 questions. Whatever we have done, you must practice them again, and tomorrow we'll be solving this question. So read this question, try to make diagrams and try to solve it. This is the solution. Try to solve it by yourself. If you are able to do it, that means you're going in the right direction. If not, don't worry, I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, so that's it. This is Cbse signing off. We'll be tomorrow. Till then, goodbye, take care, good night.